Hello, traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a look at Meta stock, a company that has been making headlines lately for its ambitious AI initiatives and its impressive financial performance. With the stock surging over 60% this year, many are wondering if this is the peak or just a temporary dip before another bullish run. We'll be going over the latest news and events surrounding Meta, and then delve into a technical analysis of the charts to get a clearer picture of where this stock might be headed. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and let's break down the charts together. Let's start with the big picture by taking a look at the daily chart. The first thing that jumps out is the strong upward trend that Meta has been exhibiting since the beginning of the year. The stock has climbed steadily from a low of $100 in early 2023 to its current price of over $570. This strong bullish momentum is largely attributed to the company's successful AI strategy, cost-cutting measures, and positive earnings reports. Meta's commitment to developing its own AI ecosystem, including its new Meta AI platform, has resonated with investors and fueled investor confidence. However, there have also been some challenges, such as the loss of AR developers and regulatory scrutiny. Despite these challenges, the overall market sentiment is bullish, driven by the company's strong performance and positive outlook. Looking at the chart, we can see that Meta has broken through several resistance levels in its ascent. These breakouts suggest that buyers are in control and that the stock has the potential to continue its upward trajectory. Now, let's zoom in on the past few months to see if there are any key price levels or chart patterns that suggest a potential shift in momentum. Over the past 3 months, the stock has been consolidating between $450 and $550. This consolidation period often indicates a pause in the trend before a breakout or breakdown. During this time, we can see some support and resistance levels. The $450 level seems to be a strong support area, while the $550 level served as resistance. It's important to note that support and resistance levels are not always absolute, and they can be broken. However, they can provide useful insights into potential price movements. Zooming in further on the hourly chart, we can get a better understanding of the short-term price fluctuations. The hourly chart shows that the stock has been experiencing some volatility in the past few weeks, with both bullish and bearish signals. There have been several pullbacks from the $570 level, with some short-term traders taking profits and others waiting for a potential entry point. However, the stock has consistently bounced back, suggesting that the bullish momentum is still intact. If we look at the price action over the past week, we can see that the stock has been testing the $570 resistance level several times. The fact that the stock hasn't been able to break through this level yet might indicate that the bullish momentum is starting to wane. It's crucial to pay attention to how the stock reacts at this resistance level to understand if it will break through or reverse down. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can get an even more granular view of the price action. On the 15-minute chart, we can see some fluctuations as traders react to news and events. While the overall trend is still bullish, there have been some short-term dips in the price that might offer an opportunity for aggressive traders. However, it's important to remember that the 15-minute time frame can be very volatile, and it's not always indicative of long-term trends. We should be cautious with short-term trading and focus on the bigger picture by looking at the daily and hourly charts. These charts provide a more reliable representation of long-term trends and potential price movements. Let's summarize what we've seen in the charts. The daily chart shows a strong upward trend with Meta breaking through several resistance levels, suggesting bullish momentum. The stock has been consolidating between $450 and $550 for the past 3 months, potentially indicating a pause before a breakout or breakdown. The hourly chart shows some volatility in the past few weeks, with both bullish and bearish signals, but the stock has consistently bounced back from pullbacks. The $570 level is a key resistance area, and how the stock reacts at this level will be crucial in determining the future direction. Short-term traders might find opportunities on the 15-minute chart, but it's important to be cautious as this time frame can be very volatile. In conclusion, Meta stock is currently in a bullish territory, but there are some key levels to watch. The $570 level is a major resistance area, and if the stock breaks through it, it could continue its upward trajectory. However, if the stock fails to break through this level and reverses downward, it could signal a potential shift in momentum. The $450 level is a key support area, and if the stock falls below it, it could trigger a further decline. Other factors to consider include the upcoming earnings report, which could have a significant impact on the stock's price. The company's progress in AI development, its data privacy practices, and the overall market sentiment will also play a role in the stock's future performance. It's important to stay informed about news and events, monitor the charts, and use a disciplined approach to trading.